Okay, so let's finish this one. And let me just continue where I left off the previous video. So in this case, this is going to be a negative 1 over 50 cosecant of theta plus c. And then we have to basically go back to the identity to replace, well, to rewrite it like with the original variable, which happened to be the x's. So this is your actual angle, and the identity on the, we did the secant, so you're gonna have the u and the a. So in this case, this is gonna be your x, and so we're talking about let's see. Okay, so it's based on this substitution that we did here. So our actual a, it's going to be the 5/2. This is going to be the square root, and we did x squared minus 5/2 squared. So this is x squared minus 5/2 squared, and that's your variable x. Let me just go back to that's your u as x, a is the constant, and then we're rewriting it as cosecant. So hypotenuse over opposite. So in this case, our final answer, it's going to be a negative 1 over 50. Our hypotenuse, it's going to be x over, hold on, it was cosecant, hypotenuse over opposite. So hypotenuse, it's an x, and this is going to be over the square root of x squared minus the 5/2 squared. And then don't forget the plus c. That's going to be our final answer for this one. It turned out to be messy.